My favourite thing about Clunderwen YFC is a sense of family. Moving here from England, we didn't think we'd make any friends, but with a large English contingency in Clunderwen YFC, we fit right in. You can always see a friendly face in the village, and there's always some laughter to be had on a Tuesday night in the hall. I think my favourite competitions are the entertainments and the things that we can perform in, because we really do have a laugh.
My favourite competition has got to be stock judging. Before I came to YFC, I didn't really know much about agriculture, and now it's helped me learn lots of new skills and what to look for in good quality stock.
My favourite thing about Clunderwen YFC is that they made me really welcome when I moved here from England. They've now become like my best group of friends and family in Pembrokeshire.
I really enjoy doing the group competitions like dancing and panto, because I feel like we all join in, make it work, have a great time while doing it. But I also enjoy some of the individual competitions like flower arranging, because I feel like it really gives you a way to express yourself and your creativeness. I feel like it's just a great support group for everybody.
Mae Clwb Ffermwyr Ifanc Clunderwen yn llawn hwyl ysbryd I pob oedran ac yn rhoi cyfle wych I cystadlu dros Prydain I gyd yn llawer o cystadlaethau gwahanol.
Since joining Clunderwen YFC, it's really helped me grow my confidence and come out of my shell.